How to log into Flight Dubai Courier. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into Flight Dubai Courier. Login in Flight Dubai Courier is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit Flight Dubai Courier. Type Flight Dubai Courier login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Find the login option. Once you are on the Flight Dubai Courier homepage, locate the menu button. This is typically located at top right corner of the page. Click on it and click login to proceed to the login page. Enter your credential. On the login page, you will typically see fields to enter your email address and your password. Input the email address associated with your Flight Dubai Courier account in the designated field. Then enter the password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password or username, click on forgot your password or username, and if you haven't created an account yet, click on new user. Click on sign in. After entering your credential, click on sign in button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Access your account. If the credentials you provide are correct, you will be logged into your Flight Dubai Courier account. You should now have access to your account dashboard, where you can view job openings, update your profile and perform other relevant actions. That's it, you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.